run and play.
My struggle is I appreciate his cozy.
There we go, right there. Oh, boy, it's going to feel so good. You can run and play here. Yeah. Supposed to be good. It'll be on the same schedule as the other dogs. Yeah, okay, great. Make sure you That's better.
That's you.
Yeah.
You're doing good. You sure are.
On the back, don't worry about it. Just put the prostate on here. Because it is where you are in health.
It's only because I'm sedated and I'm still shaking. All right, but it's okay. I know how to get
He's so much better than that first time. It's amazing.
Well, the dogs.
Well, okay, the second time. He's better than the second time.
Are you sure? We have to find things right.
There. It's a very tough vertebra. Oh boy, we're almost done. Yeah. Almost done. Six. Okay, from there, from there, from there, from there. Now we're just going to do the muscles. Yes, this one first. Open the muscles up. Nerves down. Okay, we're going to play with the other doggies.
He was trying to play for a big fairness the other day. We had too much fun this weekend.
Look at an old collar. Yeah, your old hands are a little sore, weren't they? Other side of you. Done. Yay!
You survived. Yes, you did.
He's a good boy. No one's your bad. Was it, son?
You done?
I wish we'd videoed him before his first adjustment. He couldn't hardly walk at all.
Yeah, no, he was dragging. Before his first adjustment, he was dragging his feet.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was the night he had his first adjustment, he actually got up on his hind legs and he was still walking on his toes upside down, but he got up on his hind legs and he was walking for a few feet.
Wow.
And then after that, it's like the third day is when he does real well.
Mhm.
When you adjust him like that, he's a little sore. You want him to really knock him out. But then usually by the third day, I see some major improvements with him.
He's pretty cute. Yeah. Why didn't you get a cute dog like this?
Says, don't let my looks fool you, don't let my looks fool you. I can be a terror if I want to be. You got those pearly whites in there.
Ah, great.
Oh, thank you. Okay, you done?
And well-adjusted animal. Yes, I'm well-adjusted. Okay, now smile. Smile for the camera.